Okay, this is my second how-to movie. It's how to make a Playmobil lightsaber, as shown here. Hold on a second. So, how to make a Playmobil lightsaber is you cut off stuff from Playmobil coin or ore frames. Kind of like this right here. And then you chop off part of a colored straw. And then you put them together. And what do you have? When you put the straw, like that in the Playmobil's hand, then you get an awesome lightsaber! So you can do stuff like this. Or like that. So you can have Playmobil Space Age bats. And what's more, put them in any hand to make your own Super Jedi or Super Sith of your own. And I'll tell you in this, what works better for good guys? Light-colored guys, Playmobil men look better for good guys. And you can use a purple. Well, I got my straws from this tube set. It's like a building straw toy. So basically, yeah, you can use green, blue, red, make it every lightsaber. Or you can make your own from your own favorite straws. Just make sure they're the disposable kind, or else you'll end up with a pure plastic straw. If you're wondering how I got, and if you're having trouble with your lightsaber, like thing keeps falling off, try holding it like this on the blade, sorta. But make it just enough so it looks realistic that he's holding it on the handle, and then you can do this. And that's how you make a Playmobil lightsaber. It's awesome. Yeah!